Oh, I hope Teacher Melissa's here today. Yeah, me too. That teacher's really scary. But if you don't do bad things, then he won't get upset. I didn't even do a bad thing. He tickled me and I didn't like it, and I said, I don't want you to borrow my game anymore. And he said, he's crying, say sorry. Oh, that's a little bit strange. Hello? Oh, almost class is starting, okay? Where are you going? Maybe to the class. Maybe to the class, principal. Okay, let's go in class. Okay. Okay, you two. Good morning. Good morning. So, today, we're going to do it. Oh, it's really hot today. Can I put the air conditioner? No. If you stay still when the hot is coming, you'll be a really nice adult. So we won't put the air conditioner. That's strange. I'm right. You're not right. What did you say? I'm right. Next, we're going to do this. What's this? What is this? I don't even know this. I didn't do this. Doesn't matter. Then you don't have to do it. Get out of here. Get out of here.